get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning. Yes, good morning. We're out with some much needed wind therapy. It's August 21st. It's a Wednesday, I believe.
It is.
The temperature started out at 45 degrees this morning. I think the highs today are supposed to be 67.
It's almost fall.
We needed some therapy. So we're gonna run and do a little shopping. We're going to Puxatawny. And I guess that would be it. It's gonna be just there and back, because it started out with blue skies. Oh, not a cloud in the sky at 8 o'clock this morning. And now we got overcast, icky looking clouds. But they say no rain.
Yeah, that's what they say.
So stay tuned. We'll catch you there. We'll see something else. Oh, where's that roundhouse? Should we already go by it?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
It's coming up.
Yeah, there's a roundhouse over here from the old train thing. Are you gonna stop by and check it out?
Oh, we might have passed. No, I think it's coming up. It's hard to judge.
We go by it all the time. It's right here. The old railroad. We've only been here a year and a half, 3/4. And we haven't stopped there yet.
Our rainy day things, you know. Add it to the list.
We got a whole list of rainy day things that we don't do it. We sit down and look at each other. What do you want to do today? And it doesn't get done. So stay tuned. I just want to take a few more video clips. Beautiful road. Feel a lot better if the sun was out.
Yeah, a little bit. It's all good.
We're at a high of 64 right now on the bike. It might make it to 67. Nice road. The rolling hills of PA. see.
Again.
Again. It's a cool town.
It is.
All kinds of neat little stores.
It always smells good when we go through here.
Yeah. Looks like they're gonna have a thing in the bandstand over here.
I think it's been there
Yeah.
for the summer concerts.
Yeah.
Yep.
We'll go this way. So stay tuned. We're on 310 coming out of Puxy, heading northwest. We've been on this road before, but it's been a while, so.
Give a big thank you to our new subscribers.
Yes, absolutely.
Keep them coming.
And share with your friends so we get more subscribers. Tell all your friends about it. 'Cause this is what we like to do. We only got another couple months of riding before it gets really cold. And stay tuned because we have Foliage Tour 2024 coming up.
Yep.
So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of our notifications. And like Rita said before, thank you to all our subscribers. Oh, I thought it was going to be some good scenery. Well, it might become some. Okay. It was on top of a hill and it looked pretty. Pretty. Woo. Ah, some pretty sights off to the side. Maybe when we get up to this little hill over here. How's that? And we got that in front of us. Yes, sir. Whee! Well, we went to Bob's CB shop and we're looking for the muffler for the mics and whatever they call them to stop the wind noise, because the ones we got are small and they don't seem to work very well. We still get a lot of wind noise in the mic, so they don't carry them. So now we're heading home and we're on Orleans Trail.
The beginning.
Yep.
Right, yeah.
That was a nice ride. Just want to let you know where we were and what we're doing, and we're heading home. It's a high 66 degrees. So stay tuned for more of our exciting tour. Ooh. I'm a
Poet.
What I like about PA, a lot of the stop signs, right turn, you don't have to stop, just go. Catch you on the next clip, so keep watching. subscribe, ring the bell, and do what you ever have to do so you don't miss a thing. I don't know if you can see it. There's a deer right up on the road. Just walked right across.
He's still there.
Still there. 2 of them.
Okay. 2 mean more. The Baileys.
Okay, any more?
Hi, baby.
Hello. Standing there staring at us.
Oh, boy.
All right. Cool. Yeah.
We're waiting for that big black bear to come tromping by.
I'm not. As long as he's way up ahead, we are.
Yeah.
You never know what you're going to see, so you got to keep your eyes out all the time up here. Like, this is 20 past 1 in the afternoon, and they just wander across the road. There's a beautiful view of Olean, off of Olean Trail. Oh, I can't even talk. Rita was discussing arrangements, like to put a workshop in, so I can put my woodworking tools in.
And I with a good one.
And she says, we'll take where the carport is and build that. I said, where are we going to put the truck? She says, in the garage. I said, where are we going to put Blue?
I said the shed.
Put Blue in the shed. How rude.
Sacrilegious.
Poor Blue. I love you, Blue.
Oh, thanks, hon. Hey, just mean I don't love him, but
Oh, my. Do you believe that, Blue?
oh, come on now.
Oh, God.
We'll have to get another shed for the bike.
Okay.
We'll keep it temperature controlled.
We'll have to have it heated for you, Blue.
Yes, yes.
Because some people don't care. All right. Until our next one. We're almost on 66 and heading home. So stay tuned. We got probably one more clip left. We was just on this part of 66 yesterday, and they didn't even start on it.
Nice job.
Now they milled it and paved it in one day. Woohoo! Snug, there's Snug. Hi, Snuggle. Look at them go.
See, now if I had that restaurant, I'd have
Home, sweet home.
I forgot to say it, but home sweet home. I was in another world there.
Okay. Woo, woo, woo. Well, thanks for coming along with us, and hope you enjoyed the video. On to the next.